Quick question. Ever fancied a beetroot dish but felt daunted by the cooking time? Fear not, your microwave is here to save the day. Alright, so here's the scoop. Grab a fresh beetroot, give it a good wash and trim off the leaves. Trust me, this step is crucial. No one likes sandy beetroot. Next, pierce the beetroot a few times with a fork. Think of it as giving your beet a little ventilation. This ensures even cooking and avoids any microwave mishaps. Now pop that pierced beetroot in a microwave-safe dish. Cover it with a lid or cling film, but leave a small gap for steam to escape. You don't want a beetroot explosion, do you? Microwave on high for about 5-6 minutes, depending on the size of your beetroot. Here's a tip. Check it halfway through and give it a turn. It's like giving it some love and attention. Once done, carefully remove the dish. Warning, it'll be hot. Let it cool for a minute or two. The skin should peel off easily as if by magic. And there you have it, perfectly cooked beetroot in minutes. Slice it, dice it, or add it to your favorite salad. It's delicious, healthy, and oh so easy. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated. With a microwave and a bit of know-how, you're unstoppable in the kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Mummy's Food for more kitchen hacks. Happy cooking!